Oh, you got me first.
Hi.
So, oh, hi. Hold on.
Our special today is the
How is this gonna work?
We both keep pulling our cameras out. So here we are in Rays BBQ. I've never been here before. Look at the sweet little doggy up there looking around for Kevin out there. Oh, just so sweet. I just want to pet it behind the ears. I'm gonna ask Kevin what he suggests at this restaurant, and then I'm gonna pick the exact opposite. Should I? Okay. I can't believe he uses a straw. It looks kind of feminine when he lifts it up to his mouth. I bet you this guy's gonna go after the check. He knows I owe him for helping me out, but he's gonna go after the check anyways, just to seem like he's the big guy.
You know, I bet he's gonna make a run for the car. He's gonna say, I gotta go wash my hands, and he's gonna stiff me for the check. I've heard things about Mike.
This guy and his ridiculous poncho, ridiculous little dogs, and all that baby talk to his little babies.
You know, I told him to get the chicken wings, but if I know Mike, he'll go for the smoked meats. Look at me, I'm Mr. Homesteader, living free off the land.
Look at that, Mr. Kevin, big-time YouTuber. Alrighty, look at this, folks. Brisket sandwich, are you kidding me? This might be too good. Then coleslaw.
That
and he's got
coleslaw's kicking.
chicken wings with the sauce on the side. Hey, I got a couple food-related questions for you, Kevin.
This is spicy sesame, by the way.
Yeah? Oh, look at
Well,
that.
you know, I can tell you a little bit about food. I've been eating my whole life.
All right.
So shoot.
Question number one. Have you ever had food that was too good?
There's a little place down in Yuma, fish and chips. What's the name? Oh gosh, I can't believe I forgot the name of it.
Must be an English place.
No, just a little hole in the wall.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, that's probably too good, but this is pretty close.
All right. And second question is, when and where did you have the best steak you've ever had?
My house.
Did you? You cooked it up yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my goodness.
After being on carnivore for 2 years, I've learned to cook a steak.
All right. All right, I'm going to try this coleslaw. Really good. That is some coleslaw.
You mean to hold the camera? You need two hands here.
Yeah. And then the brisket sandwich. Here we go.
Good stuff.
I definitely recommend it. Really good.
Rays BBQ.
That's what I do. At this point, I'm fully aware of my surroundings, and I just know that that check is going to be coming around that corner any second.
Yeah.
And I know that I'm going to be taking that check. Kevin is getting up. He probably has to go around the corner and think about getting his 6th or even 7th mini home on his property. He will come back and pretend like he wasn't around the corner thinking about getting a 6th or 7th or 20th mini home on his property, or maybe even a 4-wheel drive boat, or an RV that floats. Yep, look at him, pretending like he wasn't thinking about all that stuff. It's ridiculous. As if nobody's figured out that they're just buying and selling stuff for views. Pfft, I could do that. I could definitely do that. Try to do it like you're not acting though. God bless this man. Look at him, sitting there thinking and all that. Who the heck thinks? He's probably thinking that he actually has a chance of getting that check. I don't think so. And here we go. Here comes the check. Should just set the check down. Just kidding. Woo. I win. All right, but I owe Kevin anyways for helping me out last week, and yeah, this is a nice place. I like these tables.
Don't sit on the end.
Don't sit on the end. Okay.
This is that blue denim pine, I believe. It's the beetle kill. They get in there and they bite the wood.
Yep. Don't be looking at that.
And it causes a stain.
Yeah.
In the wood. That's beautiful though. This is the same kind of wood I have inside my purple tiny house.
All right. Kevin, I think we might be out of the, well, we are technically out of winter now. We're in spring as of yesterday, but
It's still cold.
Yep, the AccuWeather is reflecting it. That's the app that I use. It says 60s and 70s from now on, during the day anyway.
They lie like a dog.
I know. Yeah, give it a couple days.
About 10 feet of snow.
Yeah. It is what it is.
And thanks for the lunch.
Yeah,
It's great coming out and seeing your property and seeing you improve your place, and
yeah.
you got this.
It's about the only, I was just making a video about this. It's about the only place I have agency over, authority over, you know. It's my blank canvas where I can just work on it, put my blood, sweat, and tears into it, and make it into something.
Well, like I always say, do something even if it's wrong.
Yep. I mean, I spent most of my life improving other people's homes as handyman and all the other jobs I had, and now I get to start from very scratch on mine. I think I'm going to end up making my own furniture and all that once I build a home.
I think one of the first steps to being happy in life and getting by is to do it debt free if you can. Not being in debt.
Totally
I think is the best way to go.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, Kevin, I was wondering if you might be my cameraman for a minute. Over there, I got a special package from a viewer, and I haven't opened it yet.
All right.
Yeah?
As soon as Tucker lets me go here.
All right.
You stay here. Me and Dexter will go.
All right. I got a special package from a viewer.
Did you shake it first?
No.
Is it ticking?
No, it's not ticking. Could be a pile of poo. I don't know. All right.
Mike, it cut off.
What?
I think it cut off.
Oh, that's just the screen.
Okay.
So, we got this.
I'm going to try to get your address right here and show it to everybody.
Yeah,
okay?
that's okay. So, we've got...
Is it an e-bike?
No. We've got a 20-foot by 20-foot 40% screen here. Another start to my new garden that I'm going to have. Thank you for this. The viewer wanted to remain anonymous. So, thank you, viewer. You know who you are. And I believe there's a few other things. Grun Garden. I don't know what this is. Waterproof metal plan.
Open the box. We'll find out together.
All right.
Stakes?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's where you put labels.
Oh, labels, yeah.
For
Yeah.
your plants, so you know what.
Yes, sir. Copper and steel waterproof labels. Wonderful. That's cool. That'll be a big help, actually.
Till it grows up and you can tell
Yeah.
what it is. Like, what is that
Yeah,
coming out
because
of
I'm
the
not
ground?
an experienced gardener, so I'll be like, were those the tomatoes or were those the melons or something? I don't know.
You know, that screen right there makes a big difference in temperature.
It does. The sun out here is just so intense.
It's crazy.
So it'll burn your leaves, all that stuff up, and it looks like some steaks as well. So that's awesome.
Ribeyes?
Yeah. Landscape staples. Wonderful. Well, that was very kind, and a big thank you to you, and thanks to Kevin with his little Ooja Boo Boo here for being the
Did you see
cameraman.
that excellent filming? You know,
Yeah, I mean,
it's technique. It's all technique. You have the fancy gimbal and the GoPro. I just use
yeah.
the phone.
Yeah. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Kevin, this guy is a good guy. You probably already know about him, but if you don't, go check out the Campervan Kevin channel.
I appreciate that. I could use some subscribers. And
Yeah. Yep.
nobody knows me.
Yep.
It's not like I'm, you know, like a nomadic fanatic or anything. You know.
No, no.
I've been around for a little bit.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of loyal subscribers, and I appreciate all of them.
Me too. Yeah.
And a lot of people are coming back to your channel. You got a lot of new
Yes.
subscribers that found you through some of my videos too.
Yep. That was a big help, Kevin. And I appreciate the shout out. Yeah. It's nice to hang out with Kevin. Good guy. Later, folks. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, wait a second. The most important part of the video. I give all glory for my life to God above.
Amen.
Woo! That's how you say it, right?
Close enough.
Yeah. All right.